What's happening, everybody? Pete here, checking in from the middle of summer, craving some sand. I wanted to put this video out because I realized I never actually released this video. I put a couple clips in one of the last videos, which this was from our last trip of the season. It was the very end of April. We had just made our first morning run out through the crazy razored out dunes out to the North Pole, and then you could see there we got some weather. A storm was brewing, so we started getting a few little drops. So we were like, we should probably get the heck out of here and get back to camp. So this video is precisely that. It's just the North Pole back to camp. Kind of a short video, so I'm just going to keep it just completely raw and unedited. You'll see still the front and rear view shots every now and then though, but yeah, I thought it'd be kind of cool to put out a Dune video in the middle of the summer. I hope everyone's doing good out there and surviving the scorching heat. I know it's been like, we hit record temperatures here in Vegas, like 120 or 121. It's just been brutal. We've been going to the lake a few times, but I've just been working my butt off, and I am really itching for a trip specifically to the dunes. So we're looking forward to dune season coming back around, but we got a few months left to go, so this video will have to hold us over. So sit back and enjoy, and do me a favor, drop a comment below and let me know what you guys have been up to. What are your summer plans been? No, not for any stupid algorithms. I honestly don't care about that anymore. Just I honestly like to just hear from you guys. So drop a comment below and tell me, hey, what's up, or tell me to screw off. So sit back and enjoy the video. Hopefully you'll hear from me sooner than later. Take it easy, guys.